In just a moment, I'm going to ask you to write the next chapter in your success story. But first, let me tell you why that matters. It matters because the way we frame our past, present, and future has an enormous impact on how we feel and what we do. It was a tough childhood. Well, that sounds like an excuse for why you can't be successful now. I had a really tough childhood. Well, that sounds like the defining moment of your life. You overcame those challenges and became the person that you are today. Your success is a direct result of overcoming that tough childhood. That's the way we frame it. When we think about the past, it can be easy to slip into victimhood, thinking things like, I wish I could go back and change it all. But here's the thing. We can't change the past. We can only accept it, learn from it, and choose to move forward. We have the power to choose what we focus on. We don't have to think of our story as a static narrative, something that happened to us at some point in the past. Instead, we can think of it as the raw material that we use to create the future we want. So if you're looking to make positive changes in your life or career, here's how you do it. Think of your life as a book, and every year is a chapter. Now open the book to the current year and read the last few chapters out loud. What does it say? Is it a story of progress and achievement, or one of setbacks and disappointments? If it's the former, then congratulations, you're on the right track. Keep doing what you're doing. But if it's the latter, don't worry. It happens to all of us at some point. The key is to remember that we're the authors of our own stories. We get to decide what happens next. So let me ask you, what do you want the next chapter of your story to say? Do you want to be known as someone who achieved their dreams, or someone who gave up in the face of adversity? The choice is yours, and I know you'll make the right one. You see, we all have a choice to make. We can either keep replaying the same old tapes in our heads, or we can start telling ourselves new stories that empower us to take action and create the life we want. It's not always easy, but the rewards are so worth it. When we start believing in ourselves and our ability to create the life we want, amazing things happen. We become more resilient in the face of setbacks. We're able to bounce back from adversity quickly, and we never, ever give up on ourselves. We also become more open to new possibilities and opportunities. When we believe that anything is possible, we're more likely to take risks and step outside of our comfort zones. And that's where the magic happens. It's where we grow and learn and ultimately find success. The best part is that we don't need to be perfect to succeed. We just need to be willing to try, to learn from our mistakes, and keep moving forward. We all stumble and fall sometimes, but what sets successful people apart is their willingness to get back up and keep going no matter what. Now, I want you to close your eyes for a moment and imagine your life 5 years from now. What does it look like? What are you doing? Who are you with? How do you feel? If you don't like what you see, it's time to make some changes. Because the truth is, the only person standing between you and your dreams is you. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, the same challenges to overcome, and the same opportunities to seize. It's up to us to decide how we use them. So what are you waiting for? Go out there and start living the life you want. Start by setting clear, achievable goals. Let's break them down into smaller steps and take action every single day. No matter how small, celebrate your successes along the way and learn from your setbacks. Remember, every step you take, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. You can do this. You have everything you need inside of you already. You just need to believe in yourself and your ability to create the life you want. So go out there and make it happen. The world is yours for the taking. But before you go, I have one more thing to say. Don't forget to show some love. The fact that you're here watching this video means that you're interested in personal growth and development. That's awesome. And I know just the thing that will help you continue on your journey. I want you to check out this video right here. It's on 10 ways to improve yourself in 100 days. Trust me, it's got some great tips that will help you keep making progress in your personal development journey. So go ahead, click on that video, and let's keep growing together. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day. Till next time.